Good morning. Welcome to episode 2 of Small Steps to a Better You. Last week we gave ourselves the gift of time. This week, let's give ourselves the gift of a positive mind. Have you noticed how often we readily complain? The weather is too hot, it has been raining too much, the food was not perfect, or the way she spoke to me was not acceptable, and so on. And what happens? Slowly, these kind of complaints become almost a daily habit. Let's try something different. Let us try not to complain. That does not mean we ignore life's difficulties. All it means is that we don't allow these events to affect our peace of mind. Next time something which we are not happy with, maybe you are stuck in the traffic and you feel the traffic is too slow and you want to start complaining, just pause for a moment, take a breath and think, will my complaining improve the situation in any way? Whatever the situation may be. And very often you will notice that the answer is no. So we see that there is no point in our complaining and spoiling our own peace of mind. So instead of complaining, why is this happening to me? Let us think, what can I learn from this? That one moment of awareness can completely change your entire day. So in today's episode, our small step is to try to go through one complete day without complaining. Let us become aware of it and just do a self-check every time we start to complain and say, no, today I am not going to complain. This small step is going to become very, very valuable for you, for your own peace of mind in your life. As always, remember we are in this journey together. So if you have been able to complete even one day without complaining, please come down to the comment section and write done. Take care of yourselves. Have a happy day ahead, and we'll meet again in the next episode next Sunday in our Morning Bytes. Thank you for watching Gitas Kitchen. Please subscribe to Gitas Kitchen, and if you like these episodes, please share them with your family and friends so that many more may benefit. Thank you.